In this video, I would like to go through the idea of factorization or common factoring. So basically, we start with the idea of factoring. So first, I'm going to show you what is the meaning of factoring. Like this, you will see that I put down all the numbers like this. So as long as you change it back into the expression of the factors, it is like factoring. Okay, so basically you can do it like this. And if I just change it like 24a, you can change it like to 1 times 24a, and you can have 2 times 12a. You could have 3 times 8a, you could have 4 times 6a, and so on. So basically, it is just like how you rearrange it. And when you pick up only one factor, then you will see that like a times 24, okay, it's also possible. Okay, and that is why now when you're going to learn about something like common factoring, okay, so let's look into this example altogether. So when we see 2x and 2y, you will see that both of them share 2. Okay, so we know that 2 will be the common factor, so we take it out. So the meaning of take it out is like you just do the division. So once you do the division, you just take out this, and you have 2 times the bracket x plus y close the bracket. Okay, so other than taking out the numbers, sometimes you can also take out x. Okay, what is the meaning of taking x or taking out another term? Like right now, you see x here, so you can basically say when I take out take out x, we just do the division like this. And now what we have will be like x times a plus b. So other than taking out numbers, other than taking out the letter, we can also take out something like the letter altogether. So when we see it like now, we take out 2a, and we actually have 2ab divided by 2a, add 2ac divided by 2a. Okay, when we do the common factoring, it is all about division. So that is why we got 2a times b plus c like this. Okay, and let's look into another example right now. If we got triangle star, add, okay, triangle, a circle with a smiley face. So basically, we can consider this triangle is something that we can take it out and do the division. So that is why right now we know it. If we take it out, we got triangle and then a star and a smiley face. And now let's look into this. If we have got a times x plus 1 plus b times x plus 1, okay, then we can basically consider this whole term to be one factor. And, and we are going to take out this factor, which means x plus 1. Imagine you got a times x plus 1 divided by x plus 1 like this. Now add b times x plus 1 divided by x plus 1. In this case, obviously, you know that you can cancel them, which result in 1, okay? Therefore, you have x plus 1, and then you got a plus b for the second factor. So it is very straightforward. And let's see, sometimes if you do not see the term, like let's say we got ax plus, like this, let's say this is what we have. And now we are going to do the grouping on our own. So we see these two terms, okay? When you see it, there will be nothing between ax and bx except x. So we take out x, which means when we got x, then we got a plus b here. And we are going to add a bracket on our own, which means now you can see the a plus b. Bear in mind that if you don't see any number, there will be 1 there. Okay, so that is why now you got a plus b times x plus 1, like this. Okay, so basically for factorization or common factoring, it is all about looking at the factor that you can see. Let's see another one. Like we got pq at qr plus 3p plus 3r. Okay, so this time you can also see it now. For the first two terms, they share q. For the second two terms, they share 3. Okay, therefore we are going to do the division or the factoring like this. We take out q, and then we got p plus r here. For the third one and fourth one, we take out 3. Then we got 3 times p plus r, like this. So now we take out this factor. Okay, this is the factor that they share in common. We take it out, we got p plus r here, and then we got q plus 3. Okay, and next one will be like this. Imagine now you got ax minus bx and then add b minus a. When you take out the common factor between the first two terms, you got a minus b like this, but for this one, you got b minus a. What can you do so that you can swap them? Okay, like swap them. So we call what you do with the bracket. Okay, so you can just flip this one to become minus. So what is inside, we'll just flip the sign, which means you got a minus b now. And once you do a minus b, you can take out this a minus b to be the factor. You got a minus b times x minus 1. So to this point, I hope that you know some basic technique of factoring.